And welcome to monkeyhp.com stage 745. This is chapter 12 of Interplanetary. This chapter you destroyed the demon bot. That's the final chapter, so let's go ahead and pick up all these. These are your robots that you saved and released. Let's combine these two sphere parts and put them in there. We've got this clue here, full, half, 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 full. So full, half, 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 full is what goes in there. Pick up more items. Okay, combine these two door ramp parts, give it to this robot. And here we've got the key shape, stick that in there. Then we have to open up this, and that's, oops, east, west, south, east. East, west, south, east. Combine a nozzle, stick that in there. He burns the door and collapses. Pick up more items here. There's our wormbot. Stick that in there. Hook makes a gap. Pull that down and he comes by and bites it. Okay, go further. Now we've got this to do from 2, 5, 8, 4, 5, 6, 2, 5, 8, 4, 5, 6. Stick this in here, and this goes in here, and then the fish comes and smashes the glass that opens up the door. Oh yeah, you have to press it down first, sorry. This is a clue: southeast, east, north. Southeast, east, north. Combine these two bits, put that in there, combine these two bits. Okay, so we go all the way out, and here we can see the clue up here is 1, 3, 4, 2. 1, 3, 4, 2. Then we've got this to pick up, this to combine. Go back, combine the glasses and the screwdriver and give it to him. There you go. Pick up all these bits. Get this bit here and stick it in here. Then we get the key shape and stick that in there. The springs come together and go on the bullbot. Now here we've got the clue 4, 2, 3. 4, 2, 3. Combine these bits. Where was? Oh yeah, that's not used yet. We have to get this shape, sorry, and stick that in there. Then the yellow card gets put in here. The little pie bit goes in there, and the tail goes to this bot. You pick up the little rifle or pistol, combine that to start shooting bits. Just make sure I forgot to shoot the cameras. Okay. Okay, got 45 so far. I must have missed something somewhere. And just, yeah, this is the shape here, and the blue card gets put in, where was it? And here, Oops, I missed it. There, sorry. Okay, 46. Now we do the final 3, 2, 1, 2, 1. So go here, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1. And that's for the top one, which is this one that points upwards. Then we've got 3, 3, 1, 2, 2. 3, 3, 1, 2, 2. It's here. We've got 2, 1, 3, 3, 3. 2, 1, 3, 3, 3. That's the one that points left. That was this one. And finally 1, 3, 2, 1, 1. That's the one that points right. So now we got 50. Give that to the frog. And there's our main nemesis. Okay, let's shoot him. And as we shoot him, we can see that target thing pops up, and you always need to get that. So just make sure you shoot him and then shoot a little target bit. You got it. Can keep going, and there you go. He blows up, collapses. And there you go. That's how you complete monkeyhappy.com stage 745. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks very much for playing, and I hope to see you next time.